Hi there everybody, you're traveling with Jack, and as the apron says, my heavenly wife Pam. Guess what we're making today? Gumbo, quick and easy gumbo. First of all, let's just get right down to it. The key to having a good gumbo is your roux. Now right here in this big old pot, I've got some hot olive oil. Well, it's getting hot. Nice organic olive oil that I've put in there. What we're going to be adding that olive oil is going to be some flour. Probably in this case about a half to a third of a cup that I'm going to put in here. All right, we're going to get that going around. And I'm going to add some Cajun seasoning that I have. This is called Slap Yo Mama. Seasoning is the key. Very generous amount. So my roux is going quickly. And you got to keep it stirred really fast, otherwise it'll get away from you and it won't have the nice consistency that you're wanting. Perfect. This didn't take but just a couple of moments. Hopefully you guys can see it there. Now this gets hot really fast, so I don't want to lose my consistency. I'm taking off the heat for just a second or two, and the reason I'm going to do that is I've got my chopped veggies right over here. I've got some celery, I've got some onions, and I've got some green bell pepper. So we're going to add that. This is a really easy recipe. I think you guys are going to be amazed at how easy this is. So there we go. Got that in now with our roux. And that's giving us a nice base. Now what I'm going to do as well, I'm going to add a little bit of chicken broth, but we're going to add more later. But right now we're just going to add a little, just to add a little bit of liquidness to it. You can probably hear it sizzling up there. Oh, that smells really good. Next up, I've got some andouille chicken sausage. Organic andouille chicken sausage. Can you believe I had that? And I'm going to put that over here. I've got a hot black cast iron skillet. You can hear it sizzle, but you probably can't see it. I'll show it to you real quick. Okay, that's cooking on the other burner, and I do apologize that you're not able to see that. Meantime, keep stirring our vegetables and our chicken broth over here while our andouille sausage is browning. Did I mention this is an easy dish? Oh, that's cooking up beautifully there. If I had a bigger stove with two big eyes, I could show them both to you, but you know, again, we're not watching the Food Network here. We're watching some goofy guy's YouTube channel. Why you chose to watch this, I don't know. There's a lot of content out there. But for the 2 or 3 of you that do check in, I appreciate it. Okay, over here our roux is doing well. It's time to add some more chicken broth. And with that chicken broth, we're going to add some more Slap Yo Mama Cajun seasoning. Very generous amount. Okay. Now, in the end, I might tell you, because I work evenings and this is in the morning and I'm putting this together, we're going to be putting this in a crock pot and letting it just kind of simmer all day long. Keep in mind, gumbo is more of a soup. Jambalaya, a little different. You serve it over rice and such. Now, you can put rice over this too, but I like just a nice soupy kind of deal we got going. Oh boy, our andouille sausage is looking really good. I guess I could tilt the camera just a little, maybe, and you can see the andouille sausage. Yeah, no, well, no, yeah. Okay, there it is. You see the andouille sausage cooking? I have really got to invest in a camera crew. That didn't work out too good, did it? Oh well, you guys get the idea. Boy, our little roux mixture over here is looking beautiful. Nice and thick. Andouille sausage is really, all you want to do is just get them nice and brown, and then they're ready to go. Now, we've got some shrimp over here. We got some nice jumbo shrimp. I'm going to add a little salt and pepper to the shrimp before I put them in the mixture. And you know what I could do with these shrimp? I could just throw them in with the andouille sausage. I'm tempted. But no, you know why I'm not going to do that? Shrimp can get tough and overcooked. So I'll just put them in our roux here. Beautiful. Big. These are Argentine red shrimp. Those look really, really. Let me give you a little look here. Looks good, doesn't it? Yeah. Time to add a little more chicken broth. Give it another stir. And we'll probably add a little more Cajun seasoning before we're done, because we're continuing to add chicken broth, which of course kind of, thins it up a little bit more. Okay, and guess what? Our andouille sausage is bingo bango dunno. And I'll pick the skillet up so you can see it. There's our andouille sausage, okay? Now, our andouille sausage, I'm going to just pour it in with the juice and everything into our roux over here, or what is quickly becoming our gumbo. There she goes. Oh my goodness. Speaking of goodness, that's what we have here, is we got some goodness going. Oh, wow, does this look good. Now I'm going to add a little more chicken broth. And this is going to be a nice, thick, hearty gumbo. We got chicken and shrimp in here. You could add some chicken. I said we've got andouille sausage and shrimp, and I added some more Cajun seasoning. Some people also add some hot sauce. There we go. Guess what? Now, we're ready to eat if we wanted to. I'm going to let it cook all day, let those seasonings and everything get in there a little bit more. The vegetables will soften up as well. Some people actually like their veggies to be a little crunchy in a gumbo. I don't. Again, some do, some don't. You could also add some okra as well. But there you have it. Believe it or not, that's all there is to this. Did I say it would be quick, easy, and delicious? Okay, you know what? I'm going to bring the camera down and give you a look at our finished product. There, you see it? Looks pretty good, huh? Yeah. Wow, you don't get camera moves like that on the old Food Network, do you? Take that, Guy Ferrari. I never knew how to pronounce his name, but I do enjoy his show, and he does a good job. So there you go. Quick and easy Louisiana-style gumbo, andouille sausage and shrimp. And this one, we just had some flour, some olive oil, chicken broth, salt, pepper, slap your mama, Cajun seasoning. That's it. Hopefully you'll enjoy. I know I will. And as we always ask you to, please share this if you know somebody that might enjoy it. Better yet, subscribe to our channel, Traveling with Jack and Pam. Remember, we've got 3 playlists: cooking demonstrations, restaurant reviews, travel videos, and then the other one's kind of near and dear to my heart. That's my grief journey series, because I lost my beautiful traveling partner, Pam, last year. And so I do videos about my grief journey. And maybe you know somebody that could benefit from those as well, okay? We're going to go now. You guys have a great day and make it a better tomorrow, okay? Bye.